I have to sneeze. Fuck. You know when you have to sneeze and then you like say it out loud and then it makes you not want to sneeze? And then I don't know if you've ever heard this, but like apparently, oh, like, you have to sneeze, take watermelon and you won't have to sneeze. Why the fuck wouldn't I want to sneeze? You know what I mean? Like if I was maybe in church or something, or, you know, like in some sort of situation where like I would need to stay silent. But like day to day, if I have to sneeze, I'm gonna sneeze. Like, you know what I mean? Like, why would I want to stop myself from sneezing? That doesn't make any fucking sense. Like, and I just get upset. Like, if I have a sneeze coming and I don't get to sneeze, I just get pissed.